everyone, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. Today I thought of showing you my everyday kind of makeup look, how I create it, which I usually use whenever I want to step out, and I just change it with the lipstick and eyeliner, but the basic things are same. So if you have liked whatever you see right now, then keep on watching. Hey, so this is how I look without makeup, and we will shortly start the process of makeup. But before that, I wanted to tell you that before makeup you should always moisturize your face and apply a lip balm on your lips, so that it will give you a proper nourishment and a base for your makeup. Now this is everyday kind of makeup, so we will not use any heavy foundation. I'm gonna use Pond's BB cream, and this is very good for day-to-day basis. I usually use this or Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick, because that's very quick and easy to use. So that's it. We will start with this. So let's take few pumps. The good thing about this Pond's BB cream is it has a pump dispenser, so you can take however you want. So I'm just going to take this much and then just rub it and apply it. So I'm just going to rub with my finger, because it's a cream kind of thing. I'm not using any kind of brush. I have oily skin. I need to set my any kind of creamy base, so I'm going to set it with this Sugar Cosmetics Compact, which I have. So just apply it everywhere you have applied the BB cream. So that's done. After that, I will quickly do my eyebrows with this Essence Make Me Brow eyebrow gel mascara, because it's like day-to-day basis makeup. I don't usually take time and do my eyebrows. I just use this quickly to just set my eyebrows, so I'm just going to use this. Now I'm going to use Lakme Iconic eyeliner, which is in blue. Because I'm wearing blue, I just thought of picking the blue eyeliner or a kajal by Lakme Iconic. Same thing I'll do on my this eye. So I did my second eye too. So now I will apply kajal. This is from Plum, and I will apply it on my waterline. So eyeliner done, kajal done. Now I'll just curl my lashes using Color Bar curler, and then I'll apply mascara. Now mascara which I'm using is from Pack Cosmetics, and this mascara has two ends. The first one is for upper lashes, and the second one is for low lashes, and it's pretty tiny thin line, if you can see. Daily basis I don't use mascara on my lower lashes, I just use on my upper lashes. Let's move on to blush. I'm using is from Oriflame, and this is Shimmer Rose Illuskin blush from The One. So I'll just take the blush, I'll just use both the things. Basically this is shimmer and this is matte blush. Okay, by the way, this is the blush brush from Oriflame. So blush is done. Now let's move on to lips. For lips, I'm going to use Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade, okay, there is no shade name, but there is a number called 39. So I'm going to use that today. So let's apply it. that's the lip color. I like this because of summer. It's fresh color, kind of orangey tint in it. So this is how the look what I create on everyday basis. I don't go for eyeshadows, I don't go for heavy foundations. So this is how the look looks, and I kind of do these things on everyday basis if I want to go somewhere. So let me know if you like this look, and it's pretty easy look on everyday basis, and it's quick also. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.